In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Teams. We'll go through the full setup process so you can connect the two platforms, create tasks directly from conversations, receive ClickUp notifications in Teams, and share tasks more smoothly with your team. To get started, open Microsoft Teams. From the left-hand menu, click Apps, then search for ClickUp. Once you see the ClickUp app, select it and click Add. Teams will then ask where you want to use ClickUp, such as in a team, a specific channel, or a chat. Choose the location that makes the most sense for your workflow, then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. This step makes ClickUp available inside Teams, so your team can interact with tasks without constantly switching between platforms. Next, you'll connect ClickUp to your Teams account. Open ClickUp and go to the App Center. Search for Microsoft Teams, then select it from the results. In the integration settings, choose the Personal tab and click Connect. You'll be prompted to sign in to Microsoft, and after that, click Allow to authorize the integration. Keep in mind that in some organizations, only workspace owners or admins can manage integrations, and a Microsoft administrator may also need to approve permissions before the connection can be completed. Once the integration is active, you can create ClickUp tasks directly from Microsoft Teams conversations. Open the Teams channel or chat where the message is located, then find the message you want to turn into a task. Hover over it, click the More Options menu, and select Create Task. From there, enter the task details and choose the correct ClickUp location, along with the assignee and any other relevant information. When everything looks right, click Create Task. This is especially useful for turning ideas, requests, or follow-ups from a conversation into clear action items before they get lost. You can also send ClickUp notifications into Teams. In ClickUp, open the Microsoft Teams integration again and go to the Personal tab. Look for Sync ClickUp Activity to Channels and click Add. Then select the ClickUp Space folder or list you want to monitor, followed by the Teams channel where those notifications should appear. Choose the types of activity you want to receive, such as comments, attachments, status changes, or assignee updates, and then save the configuration. Also make sure the ClickUp app is installed in that Teams channel, or the notifications may not appear correctly. Finally, if you want to share a task in Teams, simply copy the ClickUp task link and paste it into a Teams chat or channel. Teams can display a rich preview with useful details like the task title, status, due date, assignees, and priority, making it easier for everyone to understand the context right away. And that's how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Teams.